is Rachel, and I am a program specialist at AnswerLine. At AnswerLine, we get lots of questions about eggs. Eggs are an inexpensive source of protein and serve as an important functional ingredient in baked goods. In this video, we're going to focus on egg preparation and substitutions. How to make hard-boiled eggs. Place eggs in a saucepan large enough to hold them in a single layer. Add cold water and cover eggs by 1 inch. Heat over high heat just until boiling. Remove from burner. Cover eggs and let stand for about 12 minutes for large eggs, 9 minutes for medium eggs, 15 minutes for extra large eggs. Drain immediately or serve warm, or cool completely under cool running water or in a bowl of ice water. Then refrigerate. You should refrigerate hard-boiled eggs within 2 hours of cooking and use them within 1 week. What about hard-boiled eggs that are hard to peel? Fresh eggs are going to be the hardest to peel. That is because the air cell found at the larger end of the egg is smaller in size when the egg is fresh. As the egg is stored, this air cell increases in size, shrinking the other contents in the egg, making the egg easier to peel. So, having old eggs is going to work better for making hard-boiled eggs. Why are my hard-boiled eggs turning green? Well, it's due to a reaction between the sulfur in the egg white and the iron in the egg yolk. This occurs when the eggs are cooked too long or at too hot of a temperature. So, to prevent this green from occurring, make sure you turn off the heat as soon as the water comes to a boil and make sure the eggs are cooled immediately after they've sat in the hot water. To make sure your egg dishes are safe, make sure to use a food thermometer and make sure the dish is cooked to 160 degrees Fahrenheit in the center of the dish. Meeting dietary accommodations, such as a food allergy, may have you in need of making egg substitutes. 1 large egg equals approximately 3 tablespoons, or 3 of these. The Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics offers some top picks when replacing eggs in cooking and baking. A scrambled egg alternative. In place of each large egg, cube 2 ounces firm tofu. As a boiled egg alternative, dice extra firm tofu. For binding and baking, mix 1 tablespoon chia seeds with 3 tablespoons water and let stand for 5 minutes. This will then form a gel. You can also use 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed and add 3 tablespoons of water. For leavening and baking, make the chia or flaxseed gel, then add a half teaspoon of baking powder to the batter. Multiply based on the number of eggs in the recipe. Powdered egg replacers also work well. For moistness and richness in baking, add a 4th cup of any of these to replace 1 large egg. Banana, applesauce, avocado, garbanzo beans, and silken tofu. Keep these tips in mind next time you're preparing eggs or need an egg substitute. And as always, make sure to call us at AnswerLine if you have any questions about eggs or any home or family related question.